Hi guys, today I'm really excited because I just received this LED parking lot light for reviewing purposes, which I think it's really nice. It's this pole light that you can place in your parking lot, in your garage, whatever you need it. Okay, comes with all the pieces that you need to do the installation and the wiring, which I think that it's nice. This is the main unit. Okay, as you can see, it's really nice. It has a slim design and a really nice material quality. You can angle it by turning these two screws in here, and as I've said, you can place it in any kind of poles. Okay, which I think that it's really nice. In here in the user manual, we have the installation steps on how to, well, install it, angle it, and do any kind of pole mounting, which I think that it's really nice. So let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see now I'm already outside. I'm gonna place it upon this pole facing this side, and I'm gonna just a bit the angle so I can have the desired light that I want in this one. Okay, so let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. It has this cap in the back of the lamp, so that when we place it on, it will turn off the sensor that records the daylight, so it turns off automatically. As you can see right now, it's turned off. When I place the cap, just give it a second right here, it turns on. Okay, so I'm gonna keep it off so that it will turn on automatically when it's nighttime. Okay, so let's just wait. Okay guys, as you can see, now that it's nighttime, the light looks perfect in here, and I think that it gives a really nice, bright and powerful light, so that way we can be working outside, doing some outdoors activities at night without having to worry about the proper lighting of this area. And I think that it's nice because that way you can light up your parkway, your garage entrance, whenever outdoors that you need it. I think that it's really nice, as it is IP65 rated, so it's perfectly fine to be outside. And overall, because it was really easy to set up, just have to get it up on a pole mount and it's ready. I will really recommend it. See you guys.